Hey guys, welcome to Chicken Fried Kitchen. Today we're working on a recipe for southern smoked turkey boob. Juicy, smoky, and perfect for everything from a holiday dinner to a backyard barbecue plate. And I'll show you a simple trick that helps this turkey breast keep its shape while it cooks and stay nice and juicy on the inside. For this recipe, you'll need turkey breast roast and a rub or seasoning of your choice. Begin by thawing the turkey breast roast. I like to thaw it until the center is just a little frozen. That might sound unusual, but it helps the roast hold its shape better during the first part of the cook and makes it easier to handle. Once the turkey breast has thawed slightly, prepare your smoker or grill for indirect cooking at somewhere between 250 and 270 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature range gives the turkey plenty of time to absorb smoke while still cooking evenly. While the smoker is coming up to temperature, remove the turkey breast roast from its packaging. Set aside or discard the gravy packet and remove any butcher twine from the roast. Now season the entire turkey breast generously with your favorite barbecue rub or poultry seasoning. Make sure to cover all sides evenly. This is your opportunity to build flavor before the turkey ever hits the smoker. Once the smoker is ready, place the turkey breast directly on the grate and close the lid. Now comes the easy part. Let the smoker do the work. After about an hour of cooking, insert a meat thermometer into the thickest part of the turkey breast. This is the most accurate way to know when the turkey is done. Cooking by temperature instead of time helps prevent dry turkey. Continue cooking until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. As the turkey cooks, you'll notice the outside developing a beautiful color while the smoke slowly works its way into the meat. That's exactly what we're looking for. Once the turkey reaches temperature, remove it from the smoker immediately. Don't leave it on any longer than necessary. Turkey breast is very lean, and overcooking it is the fastest way to dry it out. Now let the turkey rest for about 10 minutes before slicing. This step really does matter. Resting gives the juices time to redistribute throughout the meat instead of running out onto the cutting board. When you slice into it, you should see juicy, tender meat all the way through. Serve it alongside cornbread dressing and creamy mashed potatoes for a holiday meal, or pair it with southern baked mac and cheese, coleslaw, and your favorite barbecue sides for an incredible smoked turkey plate. Don't forget, you can always check the description for ingredients, step-by-step instructions, and the full recipe link. If you love comfort food recipes like this southern smoked turkey breast, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit the bell so you don't miss future recipes just like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how your southern smoked turkey breast turned out, and as usual, happy cooking.